Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is your Lutabots assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Bunggo. So start with the main body and apply some glue on that main tab that says main body. Use the Foldabots glue applicator to get that glue in the right place and make sure that it's nice and thinly applied in the areas that you need to. And glue the main body to itself like so. Just hold it on for a few minutes, maybe even less than a minute, until the main body is in place. Now next, put some glue on the wheels, T1 to T4. So we have these semicircle shapes on the sides. And put any of the wheels in it, or tires. There's 1, 2. It helps if you hold it onto place because for small parts like this, they tend to slide a bit if you don't hold onto it for a few seconds. So the nice thing about it is that they dry up easily as well. So here we go. Okay, next we're gonna glue the back part using that little sky blue tab, and make sure that things are folded really well before you do this part because it kind of closes up the shape like this. If it gets a little difficult to push down something because it's already a box shape, try to use a pen, any kind of pencil, or I'm using a colored pencil right here, to push in that little tab so you can push it from the inside as well as from the outside with your other hand. And onto the roof. Now Bunggo's roof is longer than the normal car roof, so you just need to add glue in these long tabs that says roof, and also in the front part right there. Now don't get confused, the roof that I used here was white. It's supposed to be Bangas. That's the problem with the twin bots. I got confused, but later it's gonna be blue. I also ran out of glue, so more glue on that little cap right there. And once you've got this sticky roof, don't mind the white roof. Okay, just place it in there. And it helps if you have another finger inside that vehicle body so you can push up while you're pushing down with your other hand. There we go. Again, don't mind the white roof on top of this model. That's supposed to be blue. There we go. Just waiting a few seconds for this thing to dry before we proceed to the next step. Oh, sometimes I like to set it up upside down so it gets pushed down even though if I'm not holding it. So to form these cannons, I am curling it into the same pen that I used a while ago. And once it's nice and curly, I apply glue on that rectangular sky blue area that says cannon to build the cannon. So there we go. So we're gonna build 2 of these, and they're exactly the same except for the little slits that you see in one of the cannons. You'll see later on what it's for. Okay, so just a little bit more help with the pencil if it doesn't glue very well in the first try. So here with the other one, I pre-curled it before making the video so things can be faster here. Okay, So curling this thing is just like what you did in the practice parts. I hope you did that, so that you won't be doing it for the first time when you're doing this part. Next are the arms. Now the arms are identical, so all you need to put is some glue on the opposite side of the tab and put it anywhere left or right on this part of the vehicle. So it goes there and on the other side like so. Now if you notice, Bungo's hands are a little bit wide, and that's because we're supposed to curl it like this, and it acts like a stopper so that the cannons don't slip out. So you can just simply slip those in, and there we go. Okay, so Bungo has a siege mode, and you're gonna see how it's gonna be done here. So once we pull out those two cannons, find the one that has two little slits, this is what I was telling you about, and put the slitted one inside the one that doesn't have slits. Now you made a single long cannon, and put a paper clip right here behind that window, and mount that long cannon on top, and put that toxic spewing thing right here in front for his weapon. Now let's take him for a spin. That's Bungo in vehicle mode, and move over for Bungo in robot mode. So there we have it. This is Lutabot Bunggo. Thank you for watching.